bomb on you. There you go. Can you walk with it? Yeah, you can do it, I knew it. So the only problem is, you can't just jump in the back. We have to find something for you to jump off of.
Wait, let's see.
There has to be like something that you can just climb up, like a ramp, and then just walk off of.
Yeah.
No easy feat. This is fucked. Come on. You did it!
Oh, okay.
Okay, get ready to jump out the back at a moment's notice. I'll find someone.
I'm ready. Make sure you don't flip it.
Yeah.
What do you need exactly? I can do it briefly.
I don't know who we're gonna do it to. So you just have to sprint at them and then click to try and bite them as well. But just make sure you're close enough to them that they'll blow up. There's a guy in a clothes store. That's perfect. You can run in. You can run at him as soon as he comes out the clothes store. Wait, there's a guy here as well. Just be ready to jump out at any moment.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, this guy. Wait. I'll back up. Are you ready? Do you see him?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go!
Oh, it gives me so much fall damage.
Bite him!
They came bounding over.